Hey everybody, it's Jodi. I've got just a couple of tips for you for my Lovely Arrangements card. It's pretty quick and easy. I did raise up this embossed layer with dimensionals, and then my flower is on dimensionals as well. And this end of the greeting banner is on dimensionals, and this is flat against the Secret Seed designer paper. So just a couple of quick things. The stamp that comes with Lovely Arrangements actually says hello friend. So what I did was just very carefully held it over the ink pad and inked up just hello. You could mask off friend if you want to. I'm just kind of too lazy to do that. So I just stamp it, could have done better. Got the hello there, and then you'll set your die over it like this to die cut it. And then actually you just tuck this, or even you can cut some of that off to tuck it in underneath the flower. Quick tip with the flower, I inked that up, and then I used a blender pen. You'll notice it looks just a little bit different. All I did was take a blender pen and go over the center and then those lines in the petals. Because it's a dye-based or water-based ink, the blender pen will blend the ink just a little bit. And so it just adds a little bit of detail to the flower there. So that's it, just some quick tips. I hope you enjoy this card and all of the other cards in the tutorial this month.